Hi, good morning and welcome to Active Art. My name's Laura and I will be your mixologist this morning. We had a request for a Bloody Mary last week, so that is what I'm going to make for you this morning. According to the internet, it is the best hangover cure. So let's try it out. For the vodka, I'm going to do something I've never done before, so this is the big experimental part. I'm actually going to use a clear gel medium as our vodka. Well, if we're going to experiment, let's experiment. Put some real vodka in there. Not real vodka, but you know what I mean. Put enough in there. Alright, so we got the vodka. And of course, we need some tomato juice. There's going to be a lot of red in this. A little bit of more tomato juice, slightly bit different shade, and that up. Then of course we need some Tabasco sauce. So that could have already been a little bit of Tabasco sauce. I think I have a little bit of this red left, maybe. That has some. This one has a little bit of, what do you call it? The varnish medium in it. Yeah, that kind of looks a little bit different shade. A little extra Tabasco sauce. And let's see, some Worcestershire sauce. Well, that would not be that color. Let's see, we'll just use some, what's this one? For that, maybe. Oh, geez, way too much Worcestershire sauce. Well, you also need black pepper in it, I think, so that'll serve for both. All right. Now, recipe I looked up said you also need some horseradish. So let's see, for horseradish, let's see, what color is that? I'm going to put a little bit of this brown with gold, a little bit of this yellow, and I'll put a little bit of white in it. I'm going to mix it, but I'm not going to mix it all the way. I'm just gonna get it started mixing. I'll let it do its own magic. Lovely. Okay. Now the recipe I have prepared is a little more complicated. Talk about smoked paprika and celery salt and all that. And what else did it say? It has a couple other things in there. That's not what smoked paprika looks like, but hey, it's close. Not really. That's actually one of my favorite spices. It's the one I cook with the most often. Well, besides salt and pepper. Celery salt. So for celery salt, I'm gonna put in splashes of that. Okay, so top it off with a little more tomato juice. And I'm going to flip cup this one. Alright. Now I'm going to garnish it at the end, so, or at least try to. I'm kind of interested to see what having just the plain medium does to it. We will find out. Yeah. Let that sit for a little bit. Alright, it's still doing stuff. I'll let it do its thing. I get impatient. Kind of want to rush things sometimes.
So the car is parked just outside. Are you still coming with me along for the ride? 'Cause I can't get used to letting you go when the tears roll down your face. Let me tell you.
So now I think I'll tilt it a little bit.
Where we can lay low, where we can get high. We can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind. So honey, let's go. Let's do what we lost. Do all the
I really don't want to lose those black cells up there, but can't give you half a glass. Gotta fill it up.
where we can lay low, where we can get high, where we can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind. So honey, let's
Back to the center.
let's do what we lost. Do all the things we dream of. We can lay low, where we can get high. We can run away, we can go today, we can leave the
This bit actually a little.
honey, let's go. Let's do what we lost. Do all the things that we've been dreaming of.
Come on.
Later in the evening, you're sleeping with your head on breaker. Living from lying to your side.
Okay.
Thinking something to say. You're gonna have to leave soon.
Get some of
So I'll
the
give you
tomato juice off my hands.
It means I'm gonna miss you every time. 'Cause I can't get used to letting you go. When the tears roll down your face. Let me tell you, darling, we won't find a place. But we can lay low, but we can get high. But we can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind.
Tip down
So
just
honey, let's go. Let's do what we lost. Do all the things that we've been dreaming of.
okay. We're gonna leave that like that,
So glad that you
and
came.
hope when I garnish it,
Years already passed us by, but I know I can trust you. Even
okay.
though
So the first garnish,
the time's getting
let's
heavy.
see. I'll put some lemon in here.
Just outside, are you still coming with me along for the ride? 'Cause I can't get used to letting you go.
Then
Roll down the face.
my lime is really kind of thin.
We're gonna find a place where we can lay low, where we can get high. We can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind. So honey, let's
It's pretty watery.
let's do what we love.
I use a little bit different. I use more of the acrylic ink rather than actual paint to mix it up. And let's see, we need some celery. So for celery, let's do some through here.
Where we can lay low, where we can get high, where we can run away, we can go today, we can leave the world behind. So honey, let's go. Let's do what we love.
Get a little bit of celery.
All the things we dream of, we can lay low,
Alright.
where we can get high. We can run away, we can go today, we can leave the
Finish it.
So honey, let's go.
I'm just going to cover some of this with a little bit of white.
Do all the things that we've been dreaming of.
Alright, so we have our one Bloody Mary here with our celery, our lemon, our lime, the black pepper and Worcestershire sauce, and I can't even tell where that gel is. We'll see how it dries, if it affects how it dries at all. Alright, don't forget to hit subscribe. Make sure you come back for breakfast tomorrow.